Hey, if it makes it any easier knowing that you are not the only one super stressed out these days, then no, you are not the only one super stressed out these days. Between the elections and the erratic weather patterns and just the wars and all of the hostility that's happening right now, we are all really stressed out. I mean, when was the last time you took a deep breath? When was the last time you unclenched your jaw? Well, there is something that we can try to do. We can tremor. It might have worked for you once before. So if you do know how to tremor, if you've had experience in practicing TRE, you are invited to attend a 4-session workshop that I will be facilitating starting the beginning of November. This 4-session workshop is going to skip every other week so that you have a chance to practice on your own, and it's going to take you right up to the holidays. So right after Election Day and then right before Christmas. We know what happens during the holidays, don't we? More stress. So in this workshop, we're going to be experimenting with how we tremor, finding different ways of tremoring, using some self-interventions, and just getting really creative so that you can find the way of tremoring that is best for you, the way you feel most comfortable doing it, and the way that helps you to release the most. And if you're newer to tremoring, stay tuned. Look out for an Intro to Tremoring workshop that will be happening. And let's get shaking. I hope to see you there.